Catherine. What's your last name, Catherine?
Vaught.
All right, and where are you from?
Traverse City.
Traverse City. What song are you singing?
The Climb.
The Climb. Okay, let's wait for the judges to get done doodling.
She's got half of her cheer team here too.
Oh, right on.
Hi, Catherine.
Hi.
You enjoying yourself up there?
Yeah.
What's your last name again?
Vaught.
Bot.
Vaught.
Bot. Got it. Actually, by the way, that's not okay. Hit it.
All right, you're good to go.
I can almost see it. That dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't no battle